Hey everybody, it's Couponing with D and I am coming in with an insert preview video. We got two inserts, Save and Smart Source. First, we are going to look through the Save insert. Yes, as you can see, mine comes FedEx. First, on the front cover, we have the Cerave. You have $3 on one cleanser or body wash. You have $3 on one acne product, and you have $3 on a sun care product. Over here, you have $2 on any Cerave product. This page has Krispy Kreme donuts for the donut lovers. When the hot and ready sign is up, you know where to go. Over here we have some Vitamin Nature's Truth, $2 off one. Here we have another $2 off one vitamin or supplement product. We have Beneful coupons for the pet lovers. $2 off the 4 single containers. We have the Family Dollar insert. I used to do Family Dollar 5 off of 25 till they changed. I don't know if it was them as a company or just my location from Florida to Georgia. We have Flonase coupons, $8 on one. That's 120 count or larger. And this is $4 off one, 60 count or larger. We have Senecot coupons, $3 off one, and $4 off one. It's an empty page, just advertisement. Some more advertisement. Another page, Reader's Digest. I ain't seen Reader's Digest in forever. On the last page inside, we have the Begging Strips. Buy one 25-ounce pouch of dog treats, and you get one 6-ounce pouch up to $4.49 for free. Walgreens normally has those on good sales. CVS will do the spend 15, get 5 every now and again on those. For all my cereal eaters, there is a $1 on 3 Kellogg's, and that's including the jumbo snacks. $1 on 3 Pop-Tarts, 8 count or larger. $1 on 2 Clubhouse crackers, 7.1 ounce or larger. That is the Save insert. Now to Smart Source. The front cover has Chobani. They have $2 on 10. Then you have the non-dairy milk, $1 on 1. Over here, you also have $1 on 1. And that's the barista edition, I'm assuming. Inside, we have Covergirl coupons. $6.27 had the $3 off on all of these. But we have $2.50 on face, $2.50 on eye, and $3 on the Clean Beauty product. We have $5 on 2 poise pads, not valid on the 10 count. We have $5 on 2 Depend products, 8 counts or larger. Silhouette is also included. Right now, Ibotta's giving back $3 on each box. And I think it's 8 count or larger on Ibotta. Over here we have Nivea. We have $3 on 2 Nivea Women Body Wash products or Nivea Men Body Wash products. Here we have $1 off one Nivea Women Body Wash product or Men Body Wash product. Down below, we have some Scotch Brite sponge coupons, $1 off any one Scotch Brite Advanced Scrub, 2 packs. Next, $1 off any 2 Scotch Brite Scrub Sponges, 3, 6, or 9 packs. And guess what I got? A Dollar General preview. I know a lot of people love Dollar General on Saturdays. They stack the 5 off 30 and the 5 off 25 for all those game products. But they also get other good items. I used to heavily shop Dollar General in Miami, but not any longer. I guess I got in the habit of CVS and it got even better for me. I'm just scrolling through this so you all can see what will be on sale. You can pause the video, take screenshots, do what you need to do in order to write those deals down, because I know they are amazing. I always see deals posted on Instagram, Facebook. Use the motion in the vehicle, people. Y'all know I'm on the go. All right, that's it for that part of the Dollar General ad. There's more in the back. Back to the coupons, $2 on 2 Kotex. These are the pads and liners. $2 on 2 packages of the tampons. And $3 on 1 Poise Allegra. You have the $10 off any one. That's a good value coupon. 1 week only. These are the $5 on 2. $5 on 1. Over here, you got an $8 coupon on 1, and it's only a week worth of value for you. $5 on 2. Allergy Life, $5 on 1 60 count and $3 on the 20 count. More Allergy Meds. You got $10 off 1 Nasacort, 240 spray. Notice it's for 1 week only. Then you have the $5 off 1 after that week. Here is an 80 count, $10 off 1 for 1 week only. And then after that week, you can use the 55 count, $5 off 1. Aspercreme, you have a $4 off 1, $2 off 1, $1 off 1, hot, icy hot, $5 off 2 for 2 weeks. And then you have $2 off 1 for 2 weeks. One is for the roll-on. Looks like you can use both of them on roll-ons and patches and creams. Unisom for everyone who can't sleep at night. $8 off 1 for 2 weeks. And then $2 off 1 for 2 weeks. Gold Bond product, $1.50 off one. Cortisone 10, $1.25 off one. We have Act mouthwash, $1 off one. And then for the kids, you also have $1 off one product. Capsaicin, $2 off one for 2 weeks. Arthritis pain relief. Advertisement. Aspercreme advertisement. Nice and easy. $2 on one. $5 on two. Cottonelle, 50 cents on one of the wipes and $1 off one 6-count or larger Cottonelle toilet paper. That is on sale this week. It was on sale last week, and it may be on sale next week. But it was part of the spend 20 get 5. So if you have a 4 off of 20, then the 2 coupons, and then you pair up a gift card or something with it, a care pass, turn out for a great deal. Hidden Valley Ranch, 50 cents on 2. Faison, $2 on 1. Tagamet, $2 on 1. Advertisement. Airwick scented refills, BOGO coupons up to $5.50. And you got $1.50 on one of any of the Freshmatic automatic sprays or the Essential Mist products. Decon, $1 off one. Cetaphil, $2 on one. Cetaphil sheer mineral product, and then $5 on 2 sheer mineral products. $1 off People Magazine. This is another advertisement for Dollar General. Skim through that. I don't even know why they just didn't put it in with the regular ad that they already have in there, but there it is. Compare those Cerave coupons up with this. And then you have a $5 on 1 AccuView and a $6 on 2 Blink. That is all that I have for the inserts. Again, I got the Smart Source and the Save. As always, thank you for supporting my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and hit the bell so you're always notified when I put up a video. Bye.